welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, are you ready for something to do today?
I am ready today.
Awesome. Now, did we ask permission to use supplies?
I did.
I hope so, because I already set everything up.
Well, I asked anyway, though.
Okay, so we're good.
Okay.
So on your side, you're going to see you've got a little boat.
There's my
So this, we cut this just out of a styrofoam bowl.
Okay.
And this pan is full of water, and if you drop your little boat
Okay.
in the pan, it's going to float.
But there, ooh, it's floating.
So you've also got some soap over there.
I do.
I am going to take a drop of soap, and I'm just going to put it on my side of the pan here.
Okay.
Literally one drop.
One drop.
Or as close to one drop as I could get. So you can do the same thing on your side.
Just one drop.
Just one drop. Okay.
Right there. Oh,
and that's it. That's
That's
probably
it.
way more than we're going to need. So
Okay.
you've got a cotton swab.
Yep.
And now I've got cotton swab. And what we're going to do is we're going to dip the tip of our cotton swab
Okay.
in soap. And if you look really closely at your boat, you've got a little notch cut out of the back.
Yep, I
Right?
did.
So take just that little drop of soap and just touch it right where that notch is.
Right here?
Yep.
Whoa!
And your boat
My boat's
will
going.
dart across the water.
I race ya.
1, 2. Oh, we're going.
Oh!
We're going in different directions.
Beat ya. I'm beating you. Woo!
Oh, I'm not going the right way.
Well,
But anyway,
mine is moving.
so that
anyway.
little bit of soap on the surface of the water pushes the boat, makes the boat go. Why it pushes the boat, I'm not sure.
Not sure
If you guys
either.
have any ideas of why this works, please leave your comments below. We would love to hear them. If you liked this activity, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. And if you have a project you'd like to see here, leave it in the comments too. And who knows, maybe we'll do your idea next time right here. We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.